Hey friends, look at the cover of this book. Doesn't it look delicious? The title is Eating the Alphabet, Fruits and Vegetables from A to Z. This book is written and illustrated by Lois Ehlert, and she does beautiful illustrations and pictures, and she lots of times writes true stories about real things. So this story has fruits and vegetables from A to Z. Watch as I read and see if you see a new food that you would like to try. Apple to zucchini. Come take a look. Start eating your way through this alphabet book. A. Apricot, artichoke, avocado, apple, asparagus. B. Blueberry, Brussels sprout, bean, beet, broccoli, banana. C. Currant, corn, celery, cucumber, cabbage, cherry, carrot, cauliflower. D. Date. E. Endive, eggplant. F. Fig. G. Gooseberry, grapefruit, grapes. H. Huckleberry. I. Indian corn. J. Jalapeno, jicama. K. Kumquat, kiwi fruit. Kohlrabi. L. Leek, lemon, lettuce, lime. M. Melon, mango. N. Nectarine. O. Okra, orange, onion. P. Peach, pineapple, pear, papaya, persimmon. Plum, pomegranate. P. Parsnip, potato, pea, pepper, pumpkin. Q. Quince. R. Rutabaga, raspberry, radish, rhubarb, and radicchio. S. Swiss chard, spinach, starfruit, strawberry. T. Turnip, tangerine, tomato. U. Ugly fruit. V. Vegetable marrow. W. Watercress, watermelon. X. Chigua, Y. Yam. Z. Zucchini. To learn more about the fruits and vegetables in this book, turn the page. You may want to pause, zoom in, and read about a new or your favorite fruit or vegetable. And this page too. I hope you enjoyed the book, guys. I think this is really cool, and I found lots of new fruits and vegetables that I have never tried. So if you try a new one and you like it, or you think it's yucky, either way, I'd love to hear about it. And maybe you might recommend it and say, Miss Sarah, you should really try this new fruit or vegetable. I can't wait to hear. Bye.